Okay, student, this is again exercise 6.3 and it's question number 7. And it is a word problem. So you need to understand the question first, then we'll understand the process how to solve it. Okay, let's read the question. The student of class 8 of a school donated 2401 in all. Suppose, think you, since you are in class 8, so suppose all the student together donated 2401 rupees in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of student in the class. Find the number of student in the class. You need to understand this properly. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of student in the class. Since you all are in class 8, suppose in your section there are 50 students. In your section there are how many students? 50. So each student is giving 50 rupees. Each one student is giving 50 rupees because total number of student is 50. Each one is giving 50. So what will be the total money? 50 into 50. This is each student is giving 50. How many student is giving total? 50 student is giving. So the total money will be 2500. 50 into 50 is 2500, like this. If you haven't understood yet, I am again giving you the other example with the small number. Suppose there are only 3 students in your class. Okay. And if there are 3 students, each student will give 3 rupees. So 3 students will give 3 into 3. Each student is giving 3 rupees. How many students are there? 3 students. So 3 into 3, total money will be 9. So this total money is given. And it has been told that each student will give as many as the number of students. How many students are there in the class? That much money each student will give. I hope you have understood this question. Now let's start. Let the number of student be x. We don't know what is the number of student. Find the number of student in the class. We don't know that. That's why we'll start with x. Let the number of student is equal to x. So money donated. If x students are there, each student will give x rupees and total student is x. So if you multiply, you will get total money. X into x is x square. So total money is x square. Isn't it? So that's why we have written here, if number of student is x, money donated will be x into x. Given, again it is given in the question also here. Money donated is how much? 2401. So in place of money donated, I am writing x square because we have taken out money donated as x square. So as we have done in the linear equation, in algebraic expression, what we were doing is when the number is shifting from right to left, plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus, isn't it? But here in left hand side we have a square. If you remove the square from left hand side, then right hand side you will get a square root. That's why in the next line, when you remove a square from here, you get a square root over here. That's why I have not written a square again, and here I have written square root. Are you clear? Now how to take out a square root? We'll do the LCM in the rough. We got 4 7. So in place of this we are writing 4 7 under root. Now make it appear in place of 1 pair 1 7. 1 7 will come out. The other pair again, other 7 will come out. So it will become 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. So the value of x is 49. What is x? Number of student in the class. Required number of student in the class is 49. That means there are how many student? 49 student. Each student is paying 49 rupees. 49 student will pay 49, 49, 49 like that. Okay. I hope you all have understood this. Let's move to the next video with question number 8.